Please go away, my dear. There is nothing for you here. We had a great run, but now the feeling is gone. How is it that we can't go on living a lie? There's no regret, but now you got to leave right now. I am not afraid of leaving you. I can't go on with this relationship, but I am not afraid to raise my hand and walk away. Baby, I am through. I can't deny how you make me feel, the way you smile at me and your soft brown eyes. Although you played me for a fool, I don't know how to lose you. Don't want to fall in love with you. Why should I be the one to leave? You made this mess, so you should go. Don't want to see your face, don't want to hear your lies. See if she'll love you like I did. Baby, it's all over, don't you get it? Raise up out of here. I don't care where you go, long as you go. Raise up out of here. You say that you want me, that you need me, but then you cheat on me. I'll do better by myself than to waste my life with you. Yeah, please go away, my dear. There is nothing for you here. We had a great run, but now the feeling is gone. How is it that we can't go on living a lie? There's no regret, but now you got to leave